The PACE spacecraft nears completion of its final environmental tests at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. These tests ensure the spacecraft can survive the rigors of launch and orbit early next year.
The spacecraft and instruments are all together assembled in this chamber behind me.
Gary Davis.
And we are blasting them with acoustic energy to look at the response of the different parts of the observatory and make sure nothing gets damaged.
A rocket stands on a launch pad.
And the reason we do this is to simulate the launch environment for the vibration in the acoustic range during launch.
The rocket lifts off.
Today, the full level that we get up to is almost 140 decibels, which is very loud. It would definitely damage your hearing. It's like the same kind of noise you'd hear if you were close to an airplane with a jet engine or a very loud rock concert near the speakers. For years, I've been witnessing tests in this chamber for various missions, and I always see the large speakers in there, and they're shaped like cones, which remind me of bells of brass instruments. And so I thought, what could we do to have a group of musicians play and see if they could equal the sound that we simulate during one of our launch acoustics tests.
Part of the PACE satellite hangs in the chamber. Later, about 36 people in full dress uniform with red coats walk carrying cases. They sit in the chamber and play. Title: The United States Marine Band. On a monitor nearby, a sound level meter reads between 105 and 111 decibels. A conductor in black and gold leads the band. All wear ear protection. The sound level meter passes 114 decibels. The Marine Band didn't quite match the same sound levels PACE withstood, but made a different lasting impression. The musicians composed a fanfare for PACE's journey. They play in another room. Titles: The PACE Fanfare, Gunnery Sergeant Scott Nimner, composer. In an animation, the PACE satellite flies high above the Earth. The blue, red, and white NASA logo appears.